So andito tayo ngayon sa Avida Village, Ceres New Valley to check this foreclosed house and lot. But before that, subscribe muna kayo dito sa YouTube channel natin para naman matulungan nyo kung dumami tayo rito. So eto siya, pasukin natin siya. So this is Avida Village, Ceres New Valley. House and lot po siya, bare type. Palitada lang po at wala siyang tiles. Lot area is 110 square meters and floor area is 30 square meters. This is a 3,550,000 and mode of payment is cash or at least 10% spot down payment upon approval of our offer, and then 90% balance through bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So if you are interested to make an offer, please message me directly. This is first come first serve and as is where is basis. So usually ganito po yung turnover or deliverable ng developer. Bare type po siya. Kayo na po magpapalagay ng second floor or magpalagay ng loft. Okay. And single detached po ang bahay na to. So pwede kayong mag-extend sa side ng property and dito sa may likod. Ayan. This is the most affordable house and lot ngayon dito sa New Valley at around 3.5 million na single detached. Because yung mga resale dito is nasa 6 million and up. Siguro pag pinaayos nyo siya, pinalagyan nyo ng second floor or loft, abutin kayo siguro more or less 1 million. Pero much better pa rin na ipa-estimate nyo siya or mag-consult kayo sa architect or engineer. And malapit lang to dito sa may driving range sa New Valley at sa Miriam School. Actually still sale na to kasi mataas ng mga properties ngayon dito sa New Valley. Ang townhouse nga dito, 50 square meters lang, nasa 7 million na. Yung townhouse ng Amaya. And then yung condo ng Avida, yung pre-selling nila dito, 26 square meters, nasa 6 million na. This one, house and lot, single detached. 110 square meters ang lot area niya. Around 3.5 million po siya. And again, this is first come, first serve. Message me directly if you are interested to make an offer.